bath fizzer, and it kind of stained the bath.
Oh,
So
it's not as bad as it was just
no, it's not as bad as it was. I don't know if you can see. It's really.
I think it's water you have to use.
It's kind of bad, like down here. It's really bad. So we've got this thing.
Well, we didn't just buy it.
No, we didn't just buy it. We had it. We got this thing.
Right.
And right, I'll show you.
Hang on. Do you want me to try it while you hold that?
Okay. So it's this. It like cleans.
Oh no, I think we might have to do it by hand.
Oh, it's not gonna work.
Let's doing the hoovering because she wants to go and get ice cream, but she didn't scrub the bath and she didn't wash up. So this is why she's doing the hoovering. Oh, good job there. Don't forget here.
Now we can do the Hoover song and dance and play. You lay down. Do the Hoover dance. Oh.
If you put it away, then we can go and get the ice cream.